Hello and welcome to Admin Setup Security Group Permissions. In this section, I'll explain how to set up permission levels per security group. To begin, go to Admin, Security Group Permission, and your security group permission table will display. As you see the first column, Security Group, there are 5 different security groups: Administrator, Office Manager, Preparer, Receptionist, and Senior Preparer. So every user is going to be assigned one of these. You'll be either an administrator, office manager, preparer, or receptionist and senior preparer. So whoever sets that up for that user, that's what they're designated as. So within this section here, we're going to then say what permissions will each security group have. So the second column is allow EF data viewing. So I'm going to explain what each one of these columns mean, and then you could decide whether you want to turn them off or turn them on. So right now they're all on for allow EF data viewing, and what that is, I'm going to go into a client file, and right here the section EF database, if I select this title bar, it's going to expand it. It's going to show me the EF data, whether the return's been accepted or rejected, when they can expect a refund. There's some check information in there. So if you don't want everybody to see that, then what you want to do is you want to then shut that off for that security group just by selecting the edit pencil and then uncheck the box. Now office managers wouldn't be able to see the EF data information. The next section is allow account upload viewing, and what that is, inside of a client file where you store your documents and W-2s. In the account information section, there's a button, Account Documents. This is the Account Documents page. Again, this is where we have all the documents related to that specific year stored. So if you don't want a specific security group to see those documents, then you uncheck the box and then this button wouldn't even display. So again, if I want to do that for my office manager, then I'd uncheck the box. Now they wouldn't be able to see account documents. The fourth column over, is allow EF data import, and where that falls inside the file, it's actually on the home page, and under the office overview. In this example, it says Drake Web Service Electronic Filing Data Import, so it's either going to be Drake or Crosslink. If you don't want a security group to see this link and allow them to import the data in from your tax software, then again, you'd uncheck that box. So Office Manager, I'm going to uncheck that. Lastly, hide office events, client balances, summary totals. Where that comes into play on the home page. If I go to my daily log, I'm going to see summary totals right here, fees, payments, discounts. If I uncheck that box, if I check the box, then these won't display. And also, say if I click on Return Pickup and I go to the bottom, this is going to show me the total balance that's outstanding. It's in my Return Pickup. If I don't want everyone to see that, all I do is I go into Admin under Security Group Permissions. In this case, I'm going to hide the summary totals. So in this example, I have those hidden from Office Manager, Preparers, Receptionist, and Senior Preparer. So the only one that actually can see totals are the administrator. So how we have our office set up is that basically everybody can do EF data viewing, everyone can do account upload viewing, everybody could import the data, but in this last column, the only one that sees summary totals is the administrator. That's all I have for admin setup for security group permissions. Thank you.